In this video, I'll show you how to customize your own messages that you can display on our Mini Messenger. If you aren't familiar with our Mini Messenger, make sure to watch our previous video that shows how to sort through and display pre-made messages. So the first thing you need to do is connect your Mini Messenger controller to your computer using our USB cable that we have provided. Once you have it connected, you need to hold down the power button until the controller comes on and shows the display PC to USB. After you have the controller plugged into the USB and powered on, check on your PC to make sure a window comes up with the Mini Messenger info. If it doesn't, simply find this PC and scroll down to where it says USB and open that. Once in the USB File Explorer window, scroll down until you see Mini Message and it looks like this. Double click to open it and this is your Mini Messenger software. To get started on a new custom message, simply go up to File and then New in the Mini Messenger software. When saving your custom message, you want to make sure you name it the next available number. So for example, when we scroll down, we see 90. So we're just going to name this one 91. When saving a message, you need to make sure that it's 2 digits. So even if you wanted to save a file, the number 1, you would still need to put a 0, then a 1, and save it then. After we've clicked save, we're going to go over and enter in our text that we want to appear. So for this tutorial, we're going to use K&K Systems Inc. period. And we hit preview to see what it's going to look like. Next, we're going to choose our font. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to use Times New Roman for our font. Next, we're going to choose our font size. So we'll try out 21 to see how that looks. We click preview. Here we can see that the bottom part of the text is cut off, so we're going to hit these top arrows to make it scroll up a little bit. As well as font and font size, we can choose the font style. So here we can see we can use general, italics, bold, or bold italic. So this time we're going to choose bold for the font style and then hit preview to see what it looks like. After that, we'll make a few more minor tweaks before going to File and hitting Save. Once you hit File, Save, and see OK, then you can unplug your Mini Messenger controller. Once that we have our Mini Messenger controller unplugged, we're simply going to scroll to our save and then hit Enter and see Send OK so we can display our message. Before trying to delete a message, make sure that you have reconnected your Mini Messenger controller back to your PC. To delete a message, go up to File, Open, scroll down to where you made your last save. Here we see it's 91. We're going to right click on it. And then we're going to go down to delete. And it's going to ask us if we're sure. We say yes and delete it from there. After that, hit cancel. Now we're going to talk about making some messages with animations. So we're going to go up to File, New, find the next available slot, which is 91 since we just deleted that file. This time we're going to make the text Traffic Safety Manufacturer. We want to make sure to put it in all caps because it's more easily seen. We're going to change our font size to 22. Use the up arrows to make it fit. And then we're going to change the animation to move left. After hitting preview, make sure to click on the LED area to see the animation in action in the software. After we hit File and Save, then we're going to take it back over to our Mini Messenger controller, scroll down to our save area, which is 91, then we're going to hit Enter until we see Send OK. After we see send OK, we take a look at the mini messenger and we can see traffic safety manufacturer scrolling across the screen in real time. Now that we know how mode 1 works, we're going to go to mode 2. Mode 2 is exactly like mode 1, except mode 2 divides the display into two areas. Area 1 is on the left side and area 2 is on the right side. So we're going to go up and hit File New, scroll down, we're going to name this file 92 since that's the next available number slot. We're going to make area 1 crash. And then we're going to make area 2 ahead. For the animation, we're going to make area 1 flash, making crash flash, and then area 2, we're going to make it move up. So when we hit preview, again, make sure to hit the LED area to see your animations in real time in the software. Next, we're going to change the font size on both of these to 22 just to make them bigger and stand out more. Again, we're going to have to use the arrows to make sure the words fit a little bit better in the display area. Remember to enter your text in all caps so it's easily read and seen from far away. After we're satisfied, we're going to go to File, Save, and see File Save OK. Then we're going to take it back to Controller. You go down, scroll, find your file save, which is 92. Hit Enter, see Send OK, and here we can see Crash Ahead in real time on the LED display. Next, we're going to go to Mode 3. Mode 3 is exactly like 1 and 2, but you're just adding another slot. So there are going to be 3 areas in the display instead of 1 or 2. Area 1 is on the left side of the display, Area 2 is the middle, and Area 3 is the right side. We're going to make Area 1 the word slow, Area 2 the word down, and Area 3 ahead. As for the animations, we're going to make Area 1 flash, we're going to make Area 2 flash as well, and we're going to make Area 3 move up. We're going to hit preview and click on the LED area to see the animation and see what we have. Since we're happy with that, we're going to go to File Save, see File Save OK, take it back over to the Mini Messenger, find our file save, which is 93, and we see it here in real time. Even though we have divided the board up into 2 or 3 parts, we can still do everything we still could in mode 1. So we can still change the font size, and the font style, as well as the animations. The only difference is we have 3 different parts to where we can put individual messages. Thanks for watching, and stay up to date with us by following our Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.